Why you this? You already know what it is. Hey man, so we already put it in there like that, bruh. Hey, you already know. Gotta inhale the fumes. Smell good. Now it's time to get your seasonings. Get the whole thing out. Look, we're gonna need some pepper. I taste. Oh no. We're gonna need some lemon pepper seasoning. Maybe though. Already got pepper. Of course, we need that whole big twin. That garlic powder. This. Where is that? Where is that? Or oregano or Iberia flavors oregano. Nice. Oregano twin. Y'all see that thing cooking up right now. Put that butter in there. Big ass slice of butter. Had to waste a little bit though, chill. First thing you already know, we're gonna get the flipping. Cause I don't want it too. Damn, I think it's too cooked. I don't want it too cooked. One of the burgers broke in half, but sometimes that happens in life. One thing don't go your way, don't mean you can't change it though. Nice. Right, so this one's still a little frozen, but it's okay. We're not worried about that. You understand? All right, look. First thing y'all gotta do, every time you making something to eat, you're not supposed to care about what's on there right now. You're supposed to worry about other things so the house could get burned down now. I know y'all see that, look. The type of burger I want medium rare. Y'all know what I mean, cause my look, y'all not even supposed to care about what y'all cooking right now. You just gotta spare that money, get to that paper, you already know. Head tap a demon every day. But look, one thing y'all will never know if it's me. Not cause y'all not worried about the food, but you'll never know it's me cause I'm masked up. You already know. Yeah. Cooking with Ryan. Cooking with I don't care about my life. I up the ante. Look, I got one more burger I want to put in there though. Just because I can have something for later, twin. Oh yeah. So look, now this the real process. This burger will show y'all what I really be doing. Listen. Cooking with that nigga. Cooking with damn. Cooking with no! Cooking with Dame and cooking with. Oh, all right. My dinner really cooking up right now. Hold on, let me flip it. If they can't get my fingerprints, they can't solve the case. Y'all know what it is. This is yeah, twin. Just flip it back. Cook it with that. I'm not even worried about what I got going on over there. I'm just worried about getting to that paper though. You know what it is, twin. I don't even care about the food I'm cooking. I'd rather eat on the apple. You always gotta tend to your food. Never do that to a supervisor like I'm about to do. Hey, twin, you wanna die? Then look after your food. If not, the whole house gonna come down and the blame gonna be on you.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Instead of do, take that spatula, go back to your food. Make sure that bitch not burning, twin. Oh, yeah. Looking a little rough right now, but in a little bit, we gonna have a smile. Man, twin, remember them seasonings you picked up earlier? Don't get them again. Look at that. Well, I am, but I'm still professional with it. Gotta spread it all over the pan, just so for later, it could pick up that extra seasoning, twin. Hey, make sure you place them in the correct order because later you will have to do the same step again. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Twin, you always gotta do that garlic powder. It's a classic Black Hood necessity. Like I said, a condolly order. My teacher taught me that word, but I don't listen to her ass. You already know what we doing with it. We're gonna put a little bit of lemon. Damn. That's why I fail school every single year. Can't even get the lemon pepper out. My mouth, pause. That black salt. You know what it is about that black salt. Everybody should know what it is about that black salt. Condolly order. Shit. Then, is that oregano? I'm gonna clean that up later. Maybe not, though. Because I don't care about, like, twin. I'm just crashed out with my G23. Then grab the spatula again, twin. Oh, man. May have burned it a little bit. It's okay, though. Hell yeah, y'all know how it get. Yeah, I'm a YN, but I don't like it dirty, though. Gotta get pre-prepped. Open all the cans. Not done. Take it over like that. Just spatula again, twin. Flip that whole twin. Flip that whole twin. A little bit, tell you what to do, twin. Oh, see. Oh, damn. Cause when these joints get more seasoning on, twin. I don't like my stuff heavily seasoned, but I like a little flavor though. Say what I wanted to say. I like meat. Anybody got a problem, they could really meet this heat. I ain't talking about a gun. I'm talking about that heat. No, I'm not. I'm talking about my G-Lo. I'm a crash out, but I love my life at certain times. Glove back on in case my bitch want hair rubs. Nah, fuck her head. I'm gonna get her. I don't know how to cook them. Looking at this color, I could tell this side need to be cooked more. Yeah. And we don't got the house right now. It's okay. Oh yeah. It's okay. Oh yeah. It's okay. Oh yeah. I have to fix off. Turn. Oh yeah, that look done. It smell a little burnt. I won't even hold it. Ah! Slap, slap, slap.
Ah! Slap, slap, slap.
Alright, man, this is the last bun in y'all ass. That look good as hell. Hold on, I gotta try some. Shit. Hold on. I ain't do too bad. Twin, I didn't even do that bad. Okay. Well, I just can't get that out. Turn the power off. Right here. Where the mayo? That's tartar sauce. Some might say that's too much. I say, hell no, it's enough. Shit, open the mail. I mean, all us dumb, but we ain't that stupid. Nah, I gotta get all that smoke out of here. But look, you think that's the only exit for the smoke? Hell no, twin. Time to get that smoke out of here. Hold on. I want all the smoke. Where the smoke at? Where the...
Hey man, it's foggy in a bitch in here. Hey, I don't even care what it is. If the smoke wants smoke, then whoever can get that smoke, let me know. 954. Damn. I don't know if it's cooled down. That's probably not a good idea. I don't even care though. I don't know if it's cooled down. Let's see something. Okay. It's definitely cooled down to like, it's cooled down to some degree. Oh! Put that back in there. I'll eat that later. Shit, turn almost full. Where the aluminum foil at? I'm about to fold. Wait, not for real. Where the aluminum foil at? No, Daddy, no, turn that power off. Turn it, rock it. Have a copy. And a copy. Y'all still, we got some nice burgers. Do I have cheese?
They said cooking with YN, mouth full of YN, cooking with YN, mouth full of YN. Cooking with YN, mouth full of YN, cooking with YN, mouth full of YN, cooking with YN. I told you the ski gonna have to come off for this one. Just finished burger too, y'all. I'm full of shit. I'm gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow probably be a clean up my room video, so fuck y'all.
So I think I got 2 videos coming out. Look, y'all boys will never know if it's me or not, because I'm masked out. What the fuck?
Netflix, love my niggas from that 7, but I'm going up that 6.